Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're going to act now. First, confirm your device is updated and that the keyboard app is installed. Go to Settings, Software Update, and install any pending updates. This fixes many emoji rendering issues. Next, open Language and Input and make sure the keyboard you want is set as default. Once done, tap the keyboard app entry and check its permissions and emoji pack or language add-ons. These initial checks eliminate simple causes and prepare you for deeper fixes without wasting time. Now reconfigure the keyboard itself. You'll clear the app cache from app settings to remove corrupted temporary files. If necessary, clear data, but export custom dictionaries first. Then remove and re-add your keyboard layout and explicitly enable the emoji panel in keyboard settings so the icon appears again. If the problem persists, install a trusted keyboard from the store that advertises emoji support, switch to it, and test. These steps rebuild keyboard state and resolve layout or cache-caused emoji disappearance issues. Finish by restarting your device to apply changes and test emoji across several apps to confirm consistent behavior. If emojis still don't show, reset the keyboard settings to defaults or reinstall the latest OS update. This repairs deeper setting conflicts. Make sure fonts or third-party emoji packs aren't disabled. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, back up your data and perform a factory reset or contact device support. Often a clean system state reveals whether the issue is hardware, firmware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.